Yeah, this is a 1999 Jaguar XJR, as you can see, and it's different than the XJ8, which is a lot easier to find some of these vacuum lines and get access, because this is a lot of work to take out. But sometimes these vacuum lines, they go bad and people take them out and they don't know where they took them off, and they can't put them back correctly. So what you do is, this line right there connects to this T. This T, it's connected to this piece right there. So make sure you connect here, and then you follow the line, and the line connects onto this at the bottom here, at the very bottom right there. And you have this piece right here, this piece that connects on this side. So I hope this helps, and because I had a hard time figuring this out, I hope this helps, and I hope no one runs into this trouble like I did. Good luck with your project.